Okay, here I have the SBC, they're calling this one the SBC1000. No, it's just like the SBC990, but because of 8-month delays, I've got to wait for my stock to come in from the factory that I normally buy from. I've bought from another factory that I've been dealing with for a few years, and they've come up with this one. So basically it's an SBC990, but it's got extra guns in it and things, and a smaller extractor. I'm doing this video because the instructions, as usual, are totally rubbish. That just as well be in Chinese, and if you could understand Chinese, they would still be rubbish. So when I was putting it together, the first thing I got wrong was the legs. So take note of the legs, because I put those on wrong. So make sure you've got your 2 holes on the face of the front to take that plate. And then, because on the back, let me just nip round the back. It has that plate there, okay, on the back left leg. Another thing they buggered up with, they sent me the European plug. So you're going to need an adapter for that, because I haven't got any. That's the extractor, the DC15. I don't like them. They're noisy, horrible. Basically, what I would do is upgrade that extractor to the standalone, which is a lot quieter. Then I came across that monstrosity. There was no way. Look at this. This is where it's just messy. It's a good cabinet, don't get me wrong, but this lot is just messy. They could have tidied it up and marked each pipe up so you know where it went to. We did find this little pipe here, 8mm pipe. It was missing a piece for the air gun inside. So if you can see that and make sense of that. That's my air connection in. I'll put that on the end. That could have done with a valve. But there you go. And I like the fact they've put the handle on the front so the doors don't twist when you open and close. Good light inside. And then you've got a fixed gun here, which operates on the left pedal. And then obviously your other gun, this one, which operates with the other pedal. Blow down gun, for blowing down the dust. What else did I find? Let me think. I think that's it. Oh, this could do with being longer, really, because there's not enough to bring that. That'll go up there, but it's not long enough. So anyway, hopefully this video will help. That was my issue, all this bloody pipe work. No, I'm terrible at videoing. Anyway, hope this helps. Got any issues, give me a call on 01777 708 457 and check out our website, which is www.sandblasters.co.uk. Have a good day, good luck.